How to create the custom match in the Fortnite. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how you can join the private lobby in the Fortnite. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your lobby. Now from here you just have to scroll down a little bit and here is the option of the custom key. You have to click on it. Now basically this key is the custom matching key. So from here you just have to enter your private matches, tournament and the other games code that you want to add, and from here you just have to accept that code. So once it is accepted, you just have to name it as whatever you want and then you just have to create your own custom setup. Now if you want to join the someone else custom match, you just want to make sure that you have the exact game mode selected that the host has been added. So you just have to again go in it and accept the code and enter the code name, and you are able to join any of the private match in the Fortnite. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.